Hello, my dear smart and hardworking friends. Welcome to our channel Chemistry is Awesome. Dear friends, in today's lecture, we will learn very simple tricks to remember symbols and atomic numbers of a block elements. Now let us see all of you at the board. There are two sentences. These sentences are in Hindi. First sentence is for remembrance of lanthanoid series elements. And second trick is for remembrance of actinoid series. We know that block elements are divided into two series of elements, lanthanoid series and actinoid series. Lanthanoid series is also called as 4F series elements or 4F block elements, and actinoid series elements are also called as 5F series elements or 5F block elements. Now let us see sentence. लता दीदी से प्रेरित नंदिनी प्रेम और सलीम यूरोप और ग्रेनाडा तब गए जब उनका दिल हो तो यारो तुम अब लूटो मजा यह गाना प्रसारित हुआ. This is trick to remember symbols and atomic numbers of lanthanoid series elements. And let us see next sentence. एक था पांडु, उसने नागपुर पुणे अमरावती के सीएम बीके को कॉफी इस तरह फरमाई कि मैडम सेड, दिस इज इंग्लिश सेंटेंस, मैडम सेड नो लाउड लाफ्टर. मैडम ने बोला ज्यादा जोर से मत हंसना, क्योंकि पांडु ने इस तरह फरमाइश की कॉफी की कि सीएम साहब जोर से हंसने लगे, तो मैडम ने बोला नो लाउड लाफ्टर. Now let us see, these are very interesting, very simple tricks to remember lanthanides and actinoid series elements. Now if we have to write down symbols from these tricks, we will take alphabets for these words. Okay, now let us see what is first trick. Lata, we'll write alphabets for word Lata. We'll take only L-A. Say, Prerit, P-R, Nandini, Yandi, Prem, P-M, Salim, SM, Europe, EU, Grenada, GD, Tab, TB, Dil. Yeah, here we have to do slight change. Here we have to write DY instead of DI. Who, HO, Yarrow. Again, here we have to do slight change. Here we have to write ER for Yarrow. Tum, TM, Up. Again, we have to do slight change. YB. We have to take YB for up. Luto, LU. These are additional words. The words which are written in the brackets are additional words. For these words, we cannot take alphabets. Lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. So that we can write, actually this lanthanum is D block elements, and all these elements are placed in sequence after lanthanum. That's why this series is called as lanthanoid series. Actual series starts from cerium and ends with lutetium or lutetium. Let us say how to put atomic number. Simply you have to remember atomic number of lanthanum, that is 57. Once you remember atomic number of lanthanum, there is no need to remember atomic numbers of other elements, because we can put atomic numbers of other elements in sequence after 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and 71. This is for lutetium. Now let us see next series, that is actinoid series. What is sentence? एक था पांडु, उसने नागपुर, पुणे, अमरावती के सीएम बाबू को कॉफी इस तरह फरमाई कि मैडम सेड नो लाउड लाफ्टर. ऑलराइट, alphabets to prepare symbols of actinoid series elements. Here एक AC, था TH, पांडु will take PA, उसने will write U, नागपुर NP, पुणे PU, अमरावती AM, CM, बाबू को K, कॉफी CF is ES, तरह is additional word, फरमाई FM, मैडम MD, नो NO, loud is additional word, laughter LR. So that we can very easily prepare symbols of all these elements very in a simple manner. Now let us see, these are the symbols: actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium and lawrencium. If we remember these elements in sequence, this is actually D block elements. Actinium is D block element having atomic number 89. Therefore, thorium 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102 and 103. Very simple. So that these are very simple tricks to remember not only symbols, but along with symbols we can write their atomic numbers also. Okay, dear friends, these are the tricks to remember symbols and atomic numbers. Now we will proceed towards next part, how to remember names of these elements. There are also tricks to remember names of these elements. What are the tricks? First word Lancer Pranio, second word Prosam Euro, third Gadotel Dispro, fourth Holmi RB Thuli, and last Iterlu. Lancer Pranio, Lanthanum, Cerium, Praseodymium, Neodymium. Lancer Pranio, Lanthanum, Cerium, Praseodymium, Neodymium. Prosam Euro, Promethium, Samarium, Europeum, Prosam Euro. Gadotel Dispro, Gadolinium, Terbium, Dysprosium. Holmi RB Thuli, Holmium, Rbium, Thulium. Iterbium, Lutetium or Lutetium. So that these are the tricks to remember their names also. Now what are the tricks to remember names of actinoid series elements? Again there is one trick. Actopro, actinium, thorium, protactinium. Actopro, very simple. Actinium, thorium, protactinium. Uranep, Pluto, uranium, neptunium, plutonium. Amarkarbara, americium, curium, berkelium. Next, Californium, einsteinium, fermium. Californium, einsteinium, fermium. Mendelevium, Nobelium, Lawrencium. Mendelevium, Nobelium, Lawrencium. What is trick? For men, no law. For is additional word. Men, Mendelevium. No, Nobelium. Law, Lawrencium. So that by these tricks you can remember names of elements, symbols of elements, and along with symbols you can remember atomic numbers also. Okay dear friends, thank you very much for watching our video.